Hi, my name is Amanda Kaysen. I'm from San Diego, California, and I got my bachelor's degree in political science last year in 2016. And I'm going for a master's degree in early childhood education currently at Arizona State University. So my early experiences with math is I always remember being confused and I was scared of math symbols and math language. I was terrified of math problems and I was convinced that math was something that I couldn't understand and it didn't make sense to me. And I remember I'd be scared of math because it was either kind of like you're right or you're wrong and there's like no in between, which is the thing that terrified me the most about math. And these experiences have shaped me as a teacher because I know that it's important for math to be something that's welcoming, fun, and non-intimidating. And I know that's something that I have to use in the classroom whenever I'm teaching my students. And as a learner, I try to relax a lot more and I try to think of the math problems as like an adventure and something fun and try to relate it to my personal life and things that I really love and I'm interested in. This way I can have more of a passion with the problem that I'm trying to solve. Um, so my first exposure to math, I remember I was in kindergarten and I can't remember if it was either M&Ms or if it was gummy bears, but I remember the teacher gave us a bunch of whatever those were and then we'd eat some of them and then they'd ask you, how many do you have left? Or like, okay, I'm going to give you 3 more. How many do you have now? Like that way it would be something fun for us. Kindergarten, my very first experience with math was fun because my teachers were really nice, but then like first, second, and third grade, I had more strict teachers, and those teachers kind of made me hate math because it was scary, and they always had to be like, okay, wrong, right. By the way, I went to elementary school in Okinawa, Japan, and just kind of like the culture, they were a little bit more strict in the classrooms and it was more like you're right, you're wrong, and they would kind of yell. At least the school I went to, it was more tough than when I went to school here in the United States. So I viewed myself as a mathematician back then as having like a fixed mindset where I was just like, okay, I'm bad at math, I'm never gonna get it, I shouldn't even try. And then now I have more of a growth mindset because I'm aware of the difference between like the two learning mindsets with fixed and growth. And I know that with growth mindset, I'm more able to be successful. So I kind of force myself to have that mindset. And it's sometimes kind of hard. But I have to just like convince myself to think positive and think of it as like every mistake is a learning experience. And this is what I want to use to strengthen and impact my classroom, as I want the children to be excited when they make a mistake because they realize that every mistake is like a step closer because they realize that, okay, I'm not going to make that mistake again, or I realize that that's not the way to approach the problem, and just kind of get them excited about it and get them motivated through trying their best and trying and not giving up. So that is my math experience, and thanks for watching. I'll see your other videos. Bye.